How to hide a chat on WhatsApp without archiving. To begin, open the WhatsApp application on your Android or iOS device and navigate through your list of chats to identify the conversation you intend to hide. Upon locating the desired chat, press and hold it, then select the three dots menu and opt for the Lock Chats function. A message will appear, prompting you to keep this chat locked and hidden. Proceed by clicking on Continue. You will then be asked to confirm your decision through PIN, face recognition, or fingerprint verification. This depends on your device's security settings. Provided you have previously set up phone locking system, by using this feature ensures that the hidden chat remains inaccessible on your phone. Should you wish to open the hidden chat, access the Locked Chat section located at the top of the chat as shown. To unlock and view the conversation, you will be required to authenticate your identity once more, either by entering your PIN code or using your fingerprint, depending on the security preferences established on your device. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Digital DIY Guide for more tutorial videos.